Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. Till now we have understand how to read the file synchronous and asynchronous way. We also saw how to read with stream. So now we are going to write the file with asynchronously. So what we can do, we have to just use fs, then we have to use write file. Then if you open here write file, and here you can see first we have to pass next data means like what we are going to write, then option, then callback means whatever output. So what we can do, first we have to give here file, here test file.txt. So what is in that file? In that file we already there, hi, how are you? So what I will do next, what I have to enter, so I will just type here I am fine. Next I'm going to use function or callback, then error. Normally I'm going to just see the error. So if it will contain any error, then it will give here console dot log error, else we can give here created success. So just I will type here created success. So I will just run this program. Here you can see here it's showing message like created success. So just come here, here you can see it is replaced. Okay, whatever content we had earlier like hi, how are you, now it is replaced by I am fine. So this is a way to write file asynchronously. Next video we are going to see how to write synchronously.